Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's begin. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, feeling the air fill your lungs completely. And as you exhale through your mouth, release any tension, any expectation, any need to do this perfectly. Let your shoulders soften. Let your jaw relax. Let your spine lengthen as you settle into this moment, exactly as it is. Notice the weight of your body against the surface beneath you. Feel the gentle rhythm of your breath, rising and falling like waves on a calm shore. With each breath, you are arriving more fully here, in this space of quiet possibility. And now, bring your awareness to the space behind your closed eyes. Notice the subtle darkness, the stillness there. In this stillness, there is a field of pure potential, an endless, fertile ground where your creativity has always been waiting to bloom. You may have come here feeling blocked or uncertain, or wondering if your creative well has run dry. And that's okay. That is simply the mind's way of telling you it's time to return to the source. Because creativity is not something you have to manufacture. It is not something you have to force. It is your natural state, the very essence of your being, flowing like a river beneath the surface of your thoughts. Now, let's begin to access that. Let the feeling of that moment rise up inside you. Notice where it lives in your body. Is it a warmth in your chest? A tingling in your hands? A lightness in your head? Now, so just where it lives in your body, is it a warmth strengt okay? Say prester. Now, and as you breathe, let it grow stronger, brighter, more vivid. Now, gently press your thumb and forefinger together, just lightly, as if holding a delicate thread. This simple touch becomes your anchor, your key to unlocking this state, whenever you choose. As you hold this anchor, feel the creative energy intensify. It's as if every cell in your body is waking up, humming with the frequency of pure inspiration. And now, let's deepen this state with words that speak directly to your subconscious mind. I am a channel for infinite creativity. With every breath, I open wider to the flow of new ideas. My mind is a fertile garden, and every thought I plant grows into something beautiful and original. I trust the creative process completely. I release all doubt, all judgment. I welcome the unknown. I am greatest creations are born. I am comfortable with uncertainty because it is the womb of innovation. My creative energy is always available to me. It is not something I have to schedule or force. It is a natural rhythm, like my heartbeat. Always there, always pulsing with life. I am a creator by nature. Every moment is an opportunity to shape my reality with intention and imagination. I see beauty where others see blankness. I see solutions where others see problems. My mind is a kaleidoscope of possibilities. Each thought shifts, blends, and reveals new patterns of brilliance. I am endlessly fascinated by what emerges from within me. I release the need for perfection. Perfection is a cage. Creativity is freedom. I give myself permission to explore, to experiment, to make mistakes, and to learn from every attempt. Every block I have ever felt is simply a signpost pointing me toward a deeper understanding. I thank those blocks for teaching me patience and resilience. And now they dissolve, revealing the clear, open path ahead. I am a vessel for the muse. She whispers to me in quiet moments. I am open to inspiration from all directions. Song, a conversation, a sunset, a stranger's smile. Every experience feeds my creative well. I am a sponge for the beauty and wisdom of the world. My creative practice is a sanctuary. It is a place where I can be fully myself without pretense or pressure. Each time I enter this space, I am renewed, restored, and ready to bring something new into being. I am patient with my creative process. Some ideas bloom quickly, like wildflowers after rain. Others take time, like ancient oaks, growing slowly but deeply. I trust the timing of my own unfolding. My subconscious mind is a vast ocean of wisdom. It holds memories, dreams, and connections I haven't yet consciously accessed. And now, as I breathe, the surface of that ocean becomes calm and treasures rise to meet me. I am a co-creator with life itself. The universe is not separate from me. It is the canvas, the paint, and the hand that holds the brush. I create in partnership with the infinite. Every day, my creativity expands. New ideas come to me with increasing clarity and frequency. My creative energy is a gift I give to myself and to the world. I am a pioneer of my own, a pionjaist, my bring the unsto, my by bring back treasures for others to enjoy. I am a pioneer of my own imagination. I venture into territories no one has mapped, and I bring back treasures for others to enjoy. My courage to explore inspires others to do the same. I am grateful for my creative mind. It is a gift that keeps giving, surprising me with its depth and ingenuity. I honor it by using it, by trusting it, by celebrating it. And now, take a deep breath in. Feel the fullness of this creative energy, this inspiration, this flow integrated into every cell of your being. Hold your anchor again, thumb and forefinger together, and let it seal this state into your neurology. As you exhale, know that this state is now available to you anytime, anywhere. Whenever you need a surge of creativity, you can simply press your thumb and forefinger together. Take a breath and return to this place of infinite possibility. In the days ahead, you'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious, and they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger. Your transformation continues even now, beyond this meditation, woven into the fabric of your being. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this wisdom with you into your day, until we meet again in stillness.